रजिस्ट्रेशन किया?
हाँ।
एपिक कार्ड मिल गया?
हाँ।
रेडी टू वोट?
बिल्कुल।
इलेक्टोरल लिस्ट में नाम चेक किया?
नहीं यार।
अगर आप भी चाहते हो कि एड मूवमेंट पे आपका मोए मोए ना हो, then do watch this video.
Here are the 3 simple steps to find your name in the electoral roll. Visit our official website electoralsearch.eci.gov.in and select language. You can search your name in the electoral roll by either filling your EPIC number, mobile number or details. Afterwards, choose your state, fill CAPTCHA and click on the search button. Your name will be in front of you. And remember that for casting your vote, your name should be in the electoral roll.
For more such information, visit our official website
And follow us on social media platforms. And be ready to vote.